This video is about the concept of man-hour. What is man-hour? It has got to do with a man and 1 hour. Suppose we have this scenario 1. Axel, Ben and Kane are meeting at 12 p.m. to go to the movies. Ben and Kane arrived on time at 12 p.m. Axel was late for 1 hour and he only arrives at 1 p.m. Ben and Kane had to spend 1 full hour waiting for Axel. Ben thought to himself, I wasted 1 entire hour waiting for Axel. I could have gone to the gym for that 1 hour. And Kane thought to himself, I wasted 1 whole hour waiting for Axel. I could have revised math. Ben wasted 1 hour waiting for Axel, and Kane wasted 1 hour waiting for Axel. In other words, we can say that Ben wasted 1 man-hour and Kane wasted 1 man-hour. In total, Ben and Kane wasted 2 man-hours. Although Axel was late for 1 hour, but 2 man-hours was wasted. In scenario 2, Amy, Belle and Kate are going to paint a house. By working together, they completed the job in 1 hour. How many man-hours are needed to paint the house? Amy used 1 hour of her time. Belle used 1 hour of her time. And Kate used 1 hour of her time. The total man-hours needed will be 3 man-hours to paint the house. Now suppose Belle and Kate goes away and we are left with Amy. How many hours does Amy need if she were to paint the entire house by herself? For instance, she started at 1 p.m. That will be 1 man-hour. And she worked the second hour at 2 p.m. That will be another man-hour. And at 3 p.m., she worked another man-hour. So the total will be 3 man-hours. The total will be 3 man-hours and she worked a total of 3 hours. So Amy will need 3 hours to complete painting the entire house if she were to work alone.